Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell icon to know when we post our next video. Can you hear those sleigh bells jingling? We can, and our halls are decked with the boughs of holly because it's that time of year again. Hi, I'm Lauren, and this month we're all about the holiday season. Will this be a stay-at-home Christmas? We're not sure yet, but concerns over the new Omicron COVID-19 variant are on the rise. The travel restrictions we've seen gradually loosening might be in effect again in an attempt to stop the new variant from spreading. And one of the biggest questions is, are the current vaccines effective against the new variant? We still don't know where we're celebrating the holidays this year, but we do know they're going to be expensive. The US is seeing one of its highest inflation rates in 30 years, and though it might just be a transitory situation, according to the chair of the US Federal Reserve, we could be looking at steep prices this Christmas. In case you missed it, 2 electric vehicle companies went public in November. Rivian, which is backed by Amazon and Ford, and Lucid, which delivered its first collection of vehicles in October. On etoro, you can check out the driverless smart portfolio to gain exposure to the electric and autonomous vehicle industry. Now, what were the hits and misses this month? Talia has that for us. Hey, Talia.
Hey Lauren, our hit for this month was Novavax. They had a really good month and the company is now developing a vaccine that targets the new COVID variant. Our miss was Sabercorp. The travel industry software provider is struggling to recover from the pandemic and its travel restrictions. Lauren?
Thanks, Talia. Whew, that was a lot in 90 seconds. Do you want to join the conversation? Head to the etoro feed to be a part of it. I'm Lauren. See you later.